So the other one is wild to me as well. I can't believe you told me this when I said, there's no way. And I saw with my own eyes. And it comes around the whole comfort food, especially like when people get sick.
Yeah.
People get sick. I know in the South is all about comfort food, but it's kind of like your go-to comforting meal to give to, you're not feeling well, may have the flu or cold. They say, I want to get you feeling better. And that's when it comes to the canned
soups.
Yes.
It's added sugars just to balance out the acidity or the flavors that's lacking or whatever ingredients they couldn't afford to put in there. They put the sugar as the way to kind of mask the flavor and make it taste good or make it look good.
And that's what it comes down to. When you start thinking about all these different foods that come in a can, bag, package, anything in the middle of the store, there's really only three things they do to make it taste good.
Yeah.
It's sugar, salt, and fat. Three things. And they're a lot of sugar. If it tastes too sweet, they add in some more salt. If it's, take out the salt, add a little bit more fat. I mean, it's all this balancing game, and it's all just processed bad food. You need whole foods.
Yeah, so when you flip over the packaging and read in the ingredients, you'll balk at it. But also when you read the amount of sodium and the amount of sugar and the amount of calories, it's mind-boggling.
Yeah, the sodium too.
Yeah.
And again, added sugar, it's all about playing with your hormones. Insulin spikes up.
Yes, it does. It does. And then you feel funny afterwards and you're saying, I'm doing everything right?
Yep.
In the afternoon, you have that fog, trying to figure out what's happening. So then you caffeinate to help bring you up.
It's all the same. It's completely all the same. It's the same mechanism. When you break it down and you start to see the pattern, you can't unsee it. And then when you get to see it with your own eyes, and you get to experience it, then you say, okay, hold on. What can I do a little bit differently? What can I do to make sure I have all day energy and stop the cycling going up and down? I hear people, I'm doing everything possible that I can to get my energy
a common
back.
One we hear.
Yep, totally. Yep, you definitely are. That the thing is that you just got to be made aware of the things that you are not possibly doing. That way you can do it and you can do more. Because if you think about it, think about that statement. I'm doing everything possible that I can.
Yeah.
Am I?
Are you though?
Am I?
No, you're not.
Because there's things I don't know that I need to be doing. Even this current state, there's things that I should be doing that I don't know about.
Yeah, yeah. We're not all perfect.
Yeah.
So.
And then that leads to, okay, well, good. I know the carbs are bad, which they're not. And so therefore, this whole current theme about nutrition is I got to have my protein. Oh, and by the way, protein is not a true energy source. It's a building block. So what does that mean? If I eat protein, it's not really giving me the energy. But I'm going to protein. And so where do people gravitate to? Number 5.
Protein bars.
Protein bars. Yeah.
I would lump granola bars in there because we're thinking it's healthy. It's granola. It's oats.
It's good.
Right?
It's so good. Yeah, oats are great for you.
Yeah, oats are great for you in the whole unprocessed form. So.
Yeah, so I'm going to go for the protein
bar
because everybody tells me protein is what I need for a healthy diet. Although it's not true a fuel source. In fact, it's a third fuel source, which really isn't really a fuel source. It has to do some backup system. Body has to process it properly to even get to that point. And so I'm eating the protein bars. I'm thinking I'm getting energy, but I'm not getting energy from the protein. What I'm getting energy from?
Sugars.
Sugar.
And the syrups.
The syrups.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, they greenwash the labels where it's healthy, it's organic, it's natural.
Yep. Yeah, even the protein powder. And you say, okay, well, cool. I get it.